Hi, this is Rian from Must Be Noob. In this lab guide, we will create a custom application directory partition in Active Directory to store DNS Zone data. As we know that Active Directory integrated DNS Zone store its zone data in Active Directory and it gets replicated with all domain controllers. An application directory partition allows zone data to be stored in Active Directory and replicated only to certain domain controllers rather than every domain controllers in the domain. A custom application directory partition can be created with a DNSCMD command or by using Windows PowerShell. Before we create application directory partition to store DNS, let me show you the existing setup. First, I'm going to open DNS Manager console, and for that, I'm going to click on Start button, and let's click on Windows Admin Tools. Let's double click on DNS, expand forward lookup zones, and as you can notice here we have two forward lookup zones with Active Directory integrated primary zone type. Let's try to create a new zone. Click on Next. We're going with primary and Active Directory integrated. Click on Next. Here you can verify that we don't have that options to select fourth radio button to all domain controllers specified in the scope of this directory partition. Why? Because we haven't created any custom directory partition to store DNS zone data. To create an application directory partition using DNSCMD command, I'm going to open Windows PowerShell. Let's cancel it. Let's right click on Start button and let's select Windows PowerShell admin. On PowerShell, type a command DNSCMD/create directory partition space FQDN of your custom application partition. For this lab guide, I'm giving name AD custom partition. Now we simply need to press Enter key. As you can see, output of that command, it is telling us that command completed successfully. That means a custom directory partition is created successfully. To verify that we have successfully created directory partition, let's run one more command. DNS /enum directory partitions. Let's press Enter key. You can verify that now we have a total 3 directory partition: AD custom partition, domain DNS zones.mustbenoob.lab, and forest DNS zones.mustbenoob.lab. Now we can store our DNS zone data in custom directory partition. Let's go back to DNS Manager console. Let's right click on forward lookup zones to create a new forward lookup zone. Select New Zone. On welcome screen, click on Next. It will be a primary zone with Active Directory integrated. Click on Next. And this time we have options number 4 available to us. Why? Because we have created custom directory partition. Let's select it. To all domain controllers specified in the scope of this directory partition, which is AD custom partitions. If you want, you can create multiple directory partitions to store DNS zone data. But for this lab guide, one directory partition is enough for us. And that is selected. AD custom partition. Click on Next. Specify the zone name. mustbenoob.com and click on Next. Click on Next again and click on Finish. Under forward lookup zones, now you can verify that we have a 3 Active Directory integrated primary DNS zone, but we have a custom directory partition for a mustbenoob.com DNS zone. Let's right click on that zone and select Properties. Type Active Directory integrated. Let's click on Change, and here we can verify that is Active Directory integrated. And let's click on Replication Scope. Let's click on Change button. That this forward lookup zone is stored under custom directory partition, AD custom partition. We can also verify the same thing from DNSCMD command as well. Let's go back to PowerShell console. And here I'm going to run command DNSCMD /zoneinfo name of our Active Directory integrated DNS zone, which is mustbenoob.com. Let's press Enter key. And you can verify that under directory partition, it is telling us that this zone is stored under AD custom partition. And that is our custom application directory partition. Let's check same for mustbenoob.lab DNS zone. Let's press Enter key. And here you can verify that it is stored under AD domain partition. In this lab guide, we have seen the steps to create a custom application partition in Active Directory for DNS Zone Replication scope.